Hey there, it's Erin with Time Saving Templates, and today I was going to go over some resources that I've found that will help if you are looking at ways to hire help in with your spreadsheet customizations or different projects as far as outsourcing and consulting services. So at Time Saving Templates, we specialize in designing spreadsheet templates for very specific scenarios that mostly fall into these three categories. The small business worksheets, this is for very small businesses, small boutiques or Etsy shops and things like that. Then we also have a lot for human resources and compensation related templates. This is for companies that have an HR department or compensation department, or maybe there's one HR person in the company. The third area is rental property management templates. While I can't always take on every request, I do have some different options for you to consider if you're looking to hire help in any of these areas. Stay tuned and I'll go through each section and what I found works best. So whether you have an idea for a customization to make to a template that you already have, or time-saving template, or you just have an idea and you think it would be a good improvement to one of the templates, we do want to hear from you and we do want to know your feedback and ideas on what would be a great template. Just fill out this form and tell us what you're thinking about and we'll get back to you. Sometimes we already have a template that does what you're looking for. So there's a lot of things to look at. Like if you go to the shop, this is where you can browse the different templates that are already pre-done, ready to go, and so you can look at it through these categories. So if you already did that and then you want to have changes or request changes, you can send us your ideas. And we can't always promise that we're going to create every idea that gets sent in, but it does help to see how many people are requesting certain things and to make that more of a priority. Now, if you have a customization that you need completed and you're ready to pay to have something completed for you, that's where we have some different options that we've set up. So I'll just go through each category because there are different options depending on which template and which area you're looking at. So for the HR and compensation related options, we are now including one free customization in the All-Star HR bundle. That gives you access to all of the HR templates. We have for a limited time, we include one customization to one of the HR templates in the package. So right now we have the free customization as a bonus option until Friday, August 23rd. This is 2024. So if you miss that date, you can still get into the All-Star HR bundle. You will just get put in the waiting list for your customization because we can only handle so many customizations at once. But with this bundle, I'll link to the package that explains everything that's in it. You will get access to any template updates or improvements that are made. A lot of them are the requests for customizations and changes. Those get updated to the different templates and you getting access to that for up to 12 months. In the package, you're also getting the unlocked versions of the templates. So you can also more easily make your own changes to the templates when you get the package. And if you are not sure which customization you want, as long as you get into the All-Star HR package, you have within 12 months to request one of the customizations to one of the templates. So that's one way to go about your customizations. So the other part that I linked to in here is different educational options if you're wanting to make the changes on your own. So we have links to the HR and comp template playlist on YouTube. We have Excel tutorials on YouTube, getting started with Excel, the beginner guide, and then for HR, we have a couple of different video series on different topics. And then the third option, if you're looking at HR or compensation support, if you're looking for more of a consultant or outsourcing an entire project. So if you had more than one spreadsheet customization, if you had a lot different customizations, but then you also need more than just the spreadsheet support, Alliance Compensation offers all kinds of compensation services from, developing pay policies, incentive plan design, creating the salary structures and the salary ranges for you, and that type of thing. So I just am mentioning them as an option because sometimes we do get questions or requests for that. So you can click on their link and fill out a form to see if it's a good fit. So moving on, those are the three options for HR and compensation. If you have a rental property management template, the first thing I'd recommend is take the rental template quiz, because we do have a lot of different variations and versions, like using the landlord template or the Airbnb or VRBO templates. We have several different variations already. So the quiz, you can just click on this and it'll take you to the rental template quiz, and it's just going to ask you a few questions, and you can go through and click on them, and then it'll spit out the template they would recommend. Educational and DIY, again, we have the beginner guide, we have the playlist just for rental property templates, and for the latest tips and tricks for using Excel. But you're probably here because you want a spreadsheet customization, you want something customized for your unique situation, and you don't want to do the changes yourself. For rental property and then also for small business, we are recommending Excel Rescue. And this is another company that we partnered with. And Excel Rescue, they will get you a quote for the specific changes that you're looking for. And you can go through and see what all these different things they offer. And so you'll have to describe to them what you're looking to change. If you are using a time-saving template, you would still have to purchase the time-saving templates, and then they can work on the changes to the template, and then you can just submit the task and see what they say. So the link is there, and that's an affiliate link so that they can see I'm sending them over the traffic. And let's see, the other, so those are the options for rental property templates. And then for the small business options here, we also have a couple of videos going over the different variations of the different templates we have for, so this first one goes over the sales and expenses templates, and then this video goes over inventory options. Those are the most common questions we get for small businesses, the inventory and sales and expenses tracking. We do have other templates for other parts of the business too. So we have a couple more options besides, like I said before, the educational or DIY. You can learn the Excel tips on just that. We have a separate playlist just for Excel tips and tricks, and the Get Started with Excel guide. These are all clickable links you can open up, and then a playlist just for small business templates. As a small business, you may want the spreadsheet customized for you. And like I said before, that's going to link to Excel Rescue, and they're going to get you an estimate if you have specific changes in mind. But I also wanted to mention a way if you're at the point that you want to just completely outsource all of your bookkeeping, because as a small business, a lot of the templates are for helping with bookkeeping and your finances. If you're ready to outsource it completely instead of tracking it in a spreadsheet, I would recommend Collective, which is a company that it's a monthly membership, but they do all your business taxes and they will do your personal taxes. So even though it's a monthly membership, you get that benefit too of knowing that your taxes are going to be done. So you can click on the referral link and kind of look around and see if you think it would be a good fit or not. But I just wanted to mention that as an option. They do a lot of different things. I've used them and it's been a relief not to have to worry about a lot of things. They just do it for you. So those are all the options I have for small business, rental properties, and HR and compensation. And until next time, don't forget, I am here to help you streamline and save time when it comes to using your Excel spreadsheets. Thanks.